after 1 year. It's my Villa 1024. I have a door like that. Yeah, I have door like that. Yeah, and it's just after 11 months to take position, and as you see, it's not. It's all paint is gone, and a crack everywhere, and what I decided definitely I asked administration of Casa Linda to fix it because it's less than 1 year. Answer was, it's my responsibility. Okay, my responsibility. It's my responsibility. You can see how this door look from inside. This is disgusting, and mosquito coming. Have to be weather strip, no any weather strip at all. And here you see crack everywhere. I know who made this door. It's view from inside, but job done is very poorly. So I went to the local store and bought a sandpaper and brush and paint and some acrylic painters, whatever, sealant for the doors. They say white. I say okay, white I will cover by the paint because it's paintable. And you know how much it cost for me? I have to find yeah, I find it here. Well, you see, I can tell you it's a little bit more than $10. You would be very surprised. Yeah, you can look how much it cost. $7.25 Dominican peso, 60 approximately. It's $1. It's absolutely not expensive. Buy it and for I don't know $12 everything, and fix by itself. It's don't even worth it to waste your energy for communication with administration. But first, what I have to do, I have to sand it. I have to sand everything in nice way. Yeah, I need to sand with two type of sandpaper. With fine one, I'm going to do it in the end. As you see, it's no paint here. it's fine. Fine, it's 150. I mean, like a sand, grade 150. I don't know, maybe it's different classification, but it's 150 K246 here. I used they call acrylic painters, whatever, but I read instruction, and in instruction 7 years warranty, that crack in windows I can fill up crack in the windows. We will see. And definitely, and I put it here because it was crack, and I put it everywhere where this was crack. All cracks I fill up with this acrylic sealer. Yeah. And they recommend me going to be 72 hours dry time. We will, like tomorrow I will paint because I need time to how to say to dry it. I cover first with this lacquer or whatever it is. It smells very bad. In Canada everything water based. Here in Dominican Republic is not. It's like good old time. Smell like hell. Okay, and after this you see it's like it became very light yellow color, not brown, yellow color, which I'm going to cover something else. Maybe it's going to be a marker. I mean like brown marker, dark brown marker I buy and cover it, and we'll use another coat. But anyway, I plan to do like 3 coats, maybe 4. So you see, after I finish painting this door, everything look like much better. Everything look much better. Not better, much better.